I love them.
Welcome to our factory. Today I'm going to show you exactly how we turn fresh potatoes into crispy French fries, from start to finish. Stick around till the end. Welcome to our Golden Valley receiving facility. This is where every batch of our fries begins. These fresh russets are loaded right onto the line. This washer scrubs off all the dirt before anything else happens. Now the skins come right off in here. Every potato gets checked before it moves to the cutter. This machine cuts every potato into an identical fry shape. This hot water bath softens the fries and locks in the right texture before frying. Now they get their first fry. This is what gives them that golden color.
Before freezing, they need to cool down completely.
Every batch passes a metal detector for safety, then gets a light touch of salt.
Now each portion gets packed into its own bag.
Every bag gets a batch code, so we can track freshness.
These boxes get sealed automatically before they're labeled.
This robot stacks the boxes perfectly onto pallets for storage. From here, the fries stay frozen until they're ready to ship out.
And now our fries are headed out to stores. That will be $14.50, please. Here are the fries, hot and fresh.
Wow, these are incredibly crispy.
I love them.
Honestly, these are some of the best fries I've had. Perfectly crispy every time. And that's the entire journey, from a fresh potato all the way to your plate. Thanks so much for watching until the end. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, drop a comment, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Inside Factory 11M for more videos just like this one.